Our guest today is Mr. Cal Mora, a software engineer and entrepreneur. I've heard that AI can now generate a full body image from a beautiful face photo and even create videos while maintaining consistency. How is that possible?
Well, let's try it out now. Here is a photo of Rika-san. It's just a face photo, but let's turn it into a full body image. There.
The image on the left is created with ChatGPT 5.2 image creator just published today, December 17, 2025, and the image on the right is created with Gemini 3 without Nano Banana Pro. Gemini 3 produces image quicker while ChatGPT takes longer. Be patient. It will take minutes.
It's done.
Wow, that's amazing. What prompt did you enter?
Just please make it a full body image. The image on the left was created with ChatGPT 5.2, and the image on the right was created with Gemini 3. ChatGPT produced a vertical 9:16 aspect ratio, while Gemini produced a horizontal 16:9 screen. Rika-san in the ChatGPT image has short sleeves. The dress in the Gemini image has full sleeves. As you can see, there are differences.
Wow, that's incredible. Tell me the mechanism quickly. How can a full body photo be generated from just a face photo? Why are the proportions so good, and why are the dresses different?
A full body image can be created from just a face photo because the AI automatically imagines the body type and clothing from the face. Since the data it learns from is full of internet photos, it's ingrained with the stereotype. This face equals this hairstyle equals this clothing equals this slim body type. It takes feature values from face recognition and then pulls a full body image that matches the face from the preloaded average model, complementing it with assumptions like a Japanese woman would probably have this shoulder width. It looks natural, but it tends to lean towards an ideal body type. Since it has learned both short-sleeved and long-sleeve dresses, if we don't give instructions, the AI chooses based on its mood at the time.
I see. For example, changing the color of the clothing is easy then.
Changing the color of the clothing is instantaneous. You just add the prompt, red dress. What's more, modern models can even reproduce the texture of the fabric, like silky or knitted, including the way wrinkles appear. Even in a still image, you wonder, is this a photo? Changing to different clothing or specifying poses is the same. You can instruct it to change into a one-piece dress, and it's done in 2 seconds. In the past, the faces would be distorted and horrifying, but now it's as easy as a digital dress-up doll.
And now it can create videos that maintain consistency.
Okay, let's try creating a video of Rika-san swinging a golf driver. We'll use Grok4, which is free to use for video generation. We'll use Rika-san's full body photo from before and turn it into a video of her swinging a driver. The prompt I used was hitting a teed-up ball on a golf course. The first frame is influenced by the indoor image, but after a while, it changes to a golf course. The swing is magnificent.
How is the consistency maintained so that the clothing and face don't change from a single still image to a video?
The video generation from a single still image uses the AI's diffusion model. For example, with stable diffusion, the first image is used as a condition, and then images are generated from noise frame by frame and connected. To achieve temporal consistency, a mechanism is included to retain features from the previous frame at each time step, making the movement look natural. But it's not perfect, so sometimes the pattern on the clothing changes, or an earring suddenly disappears.
Could you please explain that mechanism in a little more detail?
When converting a still image into a video, the AI first reads all the spatial information of that image, labeling every pixel. This is a building, this is a traffic light, and mapping it into a latent space. Creating a video means adding a time axis and generating images by predicting, will the traffic light turn green in the next second? The crucial part is temporal consistency. It tracks the movement of pixels in the previous frame and reflects it in the next frame. The name for this is inter-frame interpolation, but essentially it applies the rule, the person was walking right just now, so make them walk right in the next frame too.
So the frame interpolation is why the initial frame was an indoor scene and then it changed to a golf course. Does that mean it would have been better if the initial still image was Rika at a golf course?
That is exactly right when creating a video from a still image. With the latest models like Sora 2, Veo 3, or Grok4, this consistency is super refined, and they produce a natural sequence of motion from just a text prompt. That's why there are fewer strange distortions, and the swing looks incredibly clean. Rika-san, can you actually swing like that?
No way. Thank you very much.
Rika will deliver it. Nice one.
She is so powerful.
She is so powerful.